Hey guys, Ashley here. My screencast tutorial is going to show you how to use an add-on for Google Forms called Flubaroo. Our project, our mini lesson, is Google Forms in general, but I didn't know if we'd be able to cover this in the micro lesson, so I'm going to cover it now. So basically I'm kind of skipping to the point, and I already created a quiz. Now what this add-on is going to allow you to do is create a quiz in Google Forms, assign it to your students, and then when you get the responses back, the add-on is going to grade them for you. So here is my just for fun quiz that I created. You want to make sure when you create a form that you're going to use as a quiz that the responses go into a new spreadsheet. I'm pretty sure Google Forms does this by default, but you want to double check. We have that. Now if we look at it live, this is what it will look like to a student who's taking the quiz. Now I've already taken it a couple of times just to give you an idea of what this looks like. So when I look at my spreadsheet, it gives me a timestamp of when it was taken, all the answers, and of course you want to make sure you put somewhere in your forms an identifier. Now here's the cool part. You want to go to add-ons. Now I already downloaded it, but for anyone who doesn't have it, you go to get add-ons, and it's probably one of the first on the list. Here it is, nice and big. So you want to click on that and download it. When you're in your spreadsheet, you're going to go to add-ons. You're going to go to Flubaroo. I've already graded this as I've been testing it out, but I'm going to go to regrade assignment. And it's going to replace existing grades. And here we go. So step one, it's going to ask you how many points you want to assign to each question. The cool thing is you can also pick which thing identifies the student, and it kind of figured that out by itself. So we click continue. Now we're going to pick which thing will be used as the answer key. So when I answered as Ashley, that is what is going to be used to grade up against all the other submissions. Lastly, it should be grading. There we go. So it has given me an exact percentage on how each student did on the quiz, how many times they submitted it, what their answers are, and then it gives you a nice little breakdown up here of how many points were gained, the average from the class. Of course, this is on a very, very small scale. I've only put in 4 submissions, but if you can imagine for a 30 to 35 student class, this could make things a lot easier when it comes to creating quizzes. Okay, so I hope it's something that you can use and it will be helpful, and have a good day. Bye.